Hey. Hi. Hello. Shoes, whoa.
Sarah knows exactly where shoes are.
Wow, you're so fast, Sarah. You're so fast and such a lovely outfit. She still has the orchid in her hair. Nobody tore the orchid out of your hair. That's amazing.
Oh, is that Yaya?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Hey, your other boots. Sarah.
Black boots.
Yeah.
Boots.
Okay. Come and put on your coat. It's for baby.
It's a man.
That's the
Oh, a
sun.
son. Yeah. Son.
What's that?
No, that's not yours. Leave it up there. Yeah. It's the color. It's a crayon. Leave it up. Oh, okay.
Sunshine.
Let's go, Sarah. Let's take the boat. Sarah.
Sarah,
Sarah.
let's go.
Sarah, come back.
You're not a baby anymore.
Can't even get to her, what?
Come here, Sarah. Come on. Woo! Watch out. Moi, moi. Nay? For you. Okay, okay.
Short movies.
Here. Let's take some serious editing of this movie. Well, it's the real world, right?
Sarah is the short movie version. Okay, Hasita. Oh, she wants to put on her backpack. That's very important.
Well, if she walks, it's going to be a problem with
No. Oh my God.
her backpack and her...
Yeah,
Okay, really?
Constance was here.
Really?
I was putting on her backpack.
You ready to go, Sarah? Yeah. Let's go.